Okay, hello everyone, welcome to my tutorial. Today I will show you how to process your triangle marvelous designer closely into a clean quadrilateral model for ZBrush. First, you creating the garment in marvelous designer. Make sure you set up your UV properly. Okay. For show the rod, we just use the close. So we don't use the chorus, so we delete and we exchange to UV editor. So you can see the UV is okay. We use the GPU for simulation, and we can see the voice. It's all triangular, so we how to make it into a clean quadrilateral. Now we beginning. So first we export the model. Okay. We use for the name test. So this is close. We need C1 high poly. Single thing. Next, this export the model C1 2D pattern. Okay. Now we use ZBrush. We change to ZBrush. We import the C1 high poly. You see, not this. We import the C1 2D high poly and duplicate it and lock the camera. we use ray mesh. .3 and at that size I usually use 0. We can see his retop, but it's too low, so we Control Z and we use 1. This time is better. Okay, so we use ZBrush automatic retop just to get a clean quadrilateral mesh. Okay, so we export C1 2D retop. After that, go to Maya. We will use 2 plugins. This one, MD Quadrilateral Transfer Tool and MD Mesh Process. For now, we import the model. We just export it. The 3 model. Before we start it, we must check its UV. It's okay. This one is okay. So we start. We select the 3 models and use the plugin 1, the Mesh Quad Transfer Tool. Step 1. We get rename 3 model. But sometimes the name is wrong. So like this one, this is true mesh, not quadrilateral mesh. So we need to rename it. Change. Tree flat mesh. Quadrilateral flat mesh. Tree flat mesh. Tree mesh. Okay, we change the name. Now we step 2, transfer UV to quadrilateral mesh. Then we click the step 3, refer quadrilateral mesh. We get a clean retop model, and we re-intop the C1 high poly again. We use the second plugin, MD Mesh Process. Now we select the low poly. This one is high mesh. This one is low mesh. And we set the subdivision and the thickness. We can, for test, maybe 0.4. And the subdivision I use 2. Then create mesh. Just wait. Now you can see we get a clean quadrilateral clean mesh. That's all for my third. I hope it helps you create perfect quadrilateral quadrilateral closing models. Okay.